we're gonna do an overhead press, but I'm gonna challenge your core at the same time. So let's go ahead. Put the tubing around 1 foot. Now this is really important. Make sure the second foot is squeezing up against the other foot because you don't want that tube to release and pop you in the face. So I'm gonna roll all the way down. Notice my feet are gonna be locked together. Lower your feet down by your buttocks, and I'm gonna start with an overhead press. Notice my elbows, they're out from the shoulders, and I'm not going straight above my head. I'm going out on a V because my anchor is beneath me, down by my tailbone. So we want a proper V. Then I'm gonna add a leg extension. Keep your back on the floor. So it's arms and legs. This is the core work I told you about. Make sure you are not arching your back. If this is too difficult, you can always take the legs up on a diagonal or don't extend them at all. Focus on the overhead reach and the tight back to the floor. Now let's challenge it a little bit more. Here we go. Reach and together. So you're gonna focus on both together. If you can't do it, make sure you do one or the other. Keep it going. We've got a few more seconds. And I'm gonna hold the last one right here. Lock your abdominals, lock them, close your rib cage, tighten everything up. Up we go. I hope you enjoyed that little challenge. Until next time.